August, when Electo Healthcare announced Ohio Valley Medical Center would close its doors in 60 to 90 days.
But late last night, patients and employees were shocked when the lights went off much sooner than scheduled. Now the governor is calling on Attorney General Patrick Morrisey to investigate. Thousands of patients are looking for health care, and hundreds of employees are out of a job as of 11:59 Wednesday night in Wheeling.
I'm angry. We should all be angry at what's happening here.
The end came abruptly with just a day's notice that the hospital would be shutting off the lights.
So it's a hospital that's been open since 1914, and when it closes its doors, yes, it has an impact on the whole entire state.
The premature shutdown has lawmakers calling for answers. The governor said in a statement Wednesday night that Electo cares very little for West Virginians. He added a request for Attorney General Patrick Morrisey to look into whether the company violated state law by not providing adequate notice of the mass layoffs.
In light of recent news and the governor's request, we want to make sure that we're reaching out and we're looking at every possible legal avenue.
But Delegate Sean Fluharty isn't waiting on the Attorney General, filing his own Freedom of Information request on the closure in his district.
Attorney General Morrisey should have been involved from day one. He has not been. We know that the filings under the war notice with the state of West Virginia occurred a month ago, and the closure date was set for October 7th. Those involved should be held accountable, and that's exactly what I'm trying to do by filing my FOIA request.
Here in Charleston, lawmakers will be in town later this month for interim committee meetings, and one delegate wants this issue on the calendar.
As a member of the House Health Committee, I'm going to go to the leadership and ask if we can study this a little deeper and see if there's anything from a legislative perspective that we can do.
Morrisey said he hopes to work with Electo to not only try to save jobs, but also help those who are seeking health care in the Northern Panhandle.